welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 37. So, let's go over the devices. We have my Firelite BG12. Well, we have the panel, obviously. Emergency lights just on its own. We have my new Wheelock, well, not new, obviously. Wheelock NS fixed 75 candela. We have my Wheelock RSS, and I mounted it upside down, so it's 75 candela also. And we have my Commander 2, which looks stupid like this, but somebody told me I should do this. Northern Fire Safety, go subscribe to his channel, by the way. Told me I should do this, so looks like we're here. We have the i3 still in the closet, and a, what's that? I don't know, but a heat detector. I think it's 135 degrees, something like that, and some one-time use. Alright, so let's pull the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and now we're going to re-alarm from the closet. Oh god, there's a box right here that I need to move. Okay. And there it is. Alright, so I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.